Hey everyone, Brian and Jeff with WorkshopAddict.com, and we're taking a look at Bosch's Daredevil multi-material bits, or they're also called an all-in-one bit. You can get these bits in a 5-pack that goes from 5/32 to 3/8 for around $20, or you can get the larger bits up to a 1/2 inch that are singular packed, and some of them can range up to $10. Now these bits are labeled that they'll go through concrete, steel, tile, wood,
metal,
PVC, just about everything, right? They can even be used in an impact, and they're set to be used in a hammer drill.
which that's what we did all our testing, was this Bosch drill.
Right, and that to me is, what are people gonna use these for? That says, who's buying them?
We were having trouble before we started this, trying to figure out who these are best suited for.
Is it the guy in construction who's drilling through a steel stud, then going into concrete? Is it a homeowner who needs a general bit for multi-things?
I mean, before we started using them, we thought more commercial-wise. But after we started using them, I'm thinking more towards the homeowner that would need a drill that would possibly do all these things, that doesn't use them a lot.
Yeah, I think we're hitting the nail on the head here. First, let's just say we started out drilling through some steel and with a brand new bit, and it did fair. It was quite a bit slower. We came back and used a standard bit and said, okay, what's the difference in speed? What's the difference in the hole size? What's the difference in the roundness of the hole?
I say you could probably drill with a conventional steel bit 2 to 1.
And I think that's true. Anytime you get something that's multi-material, to us means it's fair at everything, not great at one thing.
But it was great at one thing. No matter what we put it through, we went back to concrete, and it always drilled concrete very well.
That's right, and I think that these bits, flat out, are excellent for concrete. You could put these bits up for anyone, commercial or homeowner, and say, hey, concrete drilling, they work great. If you need them for something else, like wood or anything else, that's good.
They'll do the job.
Right.
But, I mean, even after going through that tile, which was hell on the bit.
The tile was hard. We did crack a tile the first time we went through. We didn't have it set to anything, but halfway through, the tile cracked in the center. Very common, the way that we're drilling tile. The second time we went through it, no bueno. It just took and tore that bit right.
It took forever to get through it. It did get through, but then we went back to concrete right after, and it still drilled the concrete like a new bit.
Yeah, and it would not drill steel anymore.
No.
So if you're looking for these bits, I think as a homeowner, as a guy who's sitting there going, you know what, I might drill concrete once a year, or I might have a need to put in a couple tap cons here and there.
I mean, $20 kit.
Do it.
It's a good price for what you're getting here.
Do it. If you're gonna buy these and say, I'm gonna drill steel a lot, I'm gonna drill wood a lot, I don't think anybody's gonna do that. I mean, if you're drilling steel a lot, you're gonna get a twist bit. You're gonna get a standard bit that's gonna do steel and wood, and you're gonna use these for the off-site of concrete and anything else. But here nor there, as a multi-material bit, I think they're great for someone who's going to use them 99% of the time for concrete, 1% for something else, and you're going to really enjoy these. They are priced right. So if you're looking for a bit that's going to go through a lot of concrete and very little of anything else in far as its use, but it's going to work for everything you're doing, check out these Bosch bits. They're available at a lot of different places, and they are priced very affordably. We thank you for your time, guys. Make sure you give us a like in this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media. Have a great day.